Oh, there we go. There's the bell. All right. Okay, all right. So there's the bell, all right, for today, Wednesday, and let's see. Okay, here's the do now. So go ahead, find the surface area. So press pause right now. Okay, all right, and we're back. So yesterday, we started talking about what surface area is and how to find it. So today, I thought for do now, it would be good if I just give you the net and have you find the areas of all these rectangles, and then tomorrow you do some of the more difficult questions for do now. Okay, all right, so real quick, all right, so I gotta find the area of each of these rectangles, right? Which when you fold up, what would you get? What's the shape here actually? What's the polyhedron involved? Right, it's a rectangular prism, right? Okay, so let's try this. Okay, 3 times 5 is 15. Let's see, what is this? This is a 3 by 2, that's 6. This is a 2 by 5, so that's 10. So is this then. All right, and then this is, this is a 3 by 5, right? So that's 15 again. So these two are the same. So this one is a 6, right? So let's add them up. Let's see, 15 plus 6 is 21, 31, 41, 41, 47, 47 plus 15, what's that? 62, that's right. Okay, all right, that's it. Okay. All right, let's see. Unit 8, day 37. Okay, there's homework tonight. Okay, so do that. Watch the video. Any announcements? Not really. Again, Friday's the last day of school. Okay, so yeah. All right. So here's where we're at. Yesterday we talked about. Actually, no, that was last week already. Yep, we talked about this, right? We talked about how we can go from this to this, right? Let me be more specific. So we can go from a rectangular prism to a net, and then once we have the net, by using the dimensions, right, these numbers, we can find the area of each of these rectangles or squares, or even in today's case, triangles, right? And then after that, we can find the surface area, which is what? What's surface area again? How would you describe what that is? Yeah, it's as if you are using a wrapping paper, right, for a gift, right, for presents, and you want to know exactly how much paper you would need to cover the entire shape. So it's like the perimeter, except it's for a 3D figure. Okay, all right. Now that said, what I want to do is I actually want more practice of this with you guys. So, and then afterwards, today is just gonna be practice, practice, practice. Okay, we need to get as much practice down as possible. So now, so what I want to show you today is we're gonna go all the way back to here, right? Remember when we did this and then I said I can't erase this, right? This is why. So look, if we were to come back here and we were to find the surface area of this, actually, wait, this is the same thing as, hold on, 432. Is this the, didn't we just do that? What a coincidence. Oh yeah, oh, so we don't need to do that one. What about, yeah, let's try this one. Okay, so get your calculators ready, all right, because we're going to be crunching a lot of numbers today. All right, so let's say you have a cereal box, all right, it's 5 by 15 by 16, right, and you laid out the net. What should I use? I'll use purple, right, and I laid out the net. What is the surface area? How do you find out? Yep, you just find the area of each of these rectangles. So let's do a few of these, okay? We don't need to do too many of these because everyone knows how to find the area, so there's no challenge in that. So let's see, 5 times 15 is 75, right? Now 16 times 15, I do not know. Let's see, 240, okay. Same thing for this one here. right? 16 times 15, right? 240. 5 times 16, right? What's 5 times 16? 80. 5 times 16, yeah, 80. And then we got a 5 by 15, am I right? Yep, 5 by 15 is 75 again. And then I got this little one here, which is 5 by 16, which is 80 again. So I'll use my calculator. I'm going to add all these numbers up. So let's see, 75 plus 240. I'm just going this way. I'm literally going like this. Okay. Plus 80 plus 240 plus 80 plus 75. That's 790. So 790, I don't know what the unit is. All right. By the way, it's squared. This is area. So if this were centimeters, it will be centimeters squared, not cube. This is not volume. Okay. So do you see the difference? Okay. Now let's switch gears because I don't suppose there's any need for us to keep going on with the rectangular prism. So let's go with triangular prism. Okay. So let's use this one. I like this example. So this one right here, the middle one. All right, let's see what are we looking at here. So here again, we went from this triangular prism to the net of the triangular prism. So now what we need to do is we need to find the surface area. Now, what's a good color to use? I guess I'll use like a brown. I just want to stand out. Okay, so now let me see if I got all the dimensions. So this is let's see. This is an 8, right? By 10 by 6. Am I right? 8 by, no, that's not. 6 is this, actually. So I'm assuming that this is a 10. Okay, I have to because there's no information here. So the 6 here is the height. They're telling you that that's the height. So if that's 8, that's 10. So this has to be 10. All right, you see, I still got to do some of the work here. So this is 17. I know that. That's 17. That's 17. So you see how I'm labeling all the sides here? That's 10. That's 10. The height here is 6. I don't know why they need to tell me that this is 10. Is that even necessary? Oh yeah, because I need to know that. I need to know that because these two are the same length, right? Because so imagine if you were to fold up the net, these two sides would be attached to one another. So that's why these have to be 10. All right, let's get to work. So let's go ahead and do the rectangles first. This is 170. This is 170. What is 8 times 17? What is that? What's 8 times 17? 136. We'll do both triangles. 8 times 6 is 48, so half of that is 24. This is 24. All right, so let's see, what does that mean? I gotta add them up. That's what that means. So 24. Okay, I'm gonna start from the top again. 24 plus 170 plus 136 plus 170 plus 24, 524 centimeter squared. Okay, that's it. That's really how you do it. So, so it might come to some of you as a surprise as to how easy this last step is, but I would also add that it's only easy because, how do I say it? It's only easy because we laid out the groundwork for a net. Like all this work was made possible. All this easy work was made possible by the fact that we know how to turn this triangular prism into a net. And because of our prior knowledge about the area of polygons, we were able to arrive at this answer so easily. Okay, so what am I trying to say? Yeah, give yourself more credit, all right? Okay, all right. Now, where are we here? So let's try one of these. I really like these right triangular prism, right? Because we got a right triangle here. So now we already label all of this. So we're going from this to this. And so now all we have to do is find the area. So let's do that, all right? And then we'll do one for a pyramid. So let's see, 7. So these got decimals, so I'm going to need my calculator. 7 times 9.9 is 69.3. That's 8 by 7, right? What's 8 by 7? 56. All right, 8 by 7 is 56. Now the triangles, let's see, this gets tricky. 7, 7 is 49, right? Base times height, right? Base times height is 49. What's 49 divided by 2? 24.5. So we got 2 of these. Now let's add them up. Let's see, I'll start from the top. 24.5 plus 69.3 plus 56 plus 56 plus 24.5. What is that? 230.3. Okay. All right. Now, if I made a mistake, let me know, okay? Because I'm going pretty fast here. So, all right. Now, let's do a couple for rectangular pyramids, which is, by the way, super easy. Because remember, like I'm pretty sure. Remember when we did composite figures, probably like 3 weeks ago now. Remember a lot of the shapes, at least a couple of the homework questions. I think even one on the quiz looked like this. Remember that? Yeah, that's what this was. That's what this was all about. Like this is exactly that kind of question. So having said that, now we're turning a pyramid into a net, and now we need to find the surface area. So let's see. This is 20 by 20, so that's 400. Now this is actually, I think you could look at it as that these questions are very easy, or they could be more difficult because you have to deal with a bunch of triangles. Okay, so now base times height. So this is 20. Base times height divided by 2. So 20 times 26 divided by 2. That's 260. So you got 4 of these. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do 260 times 4. Now let me double check. The numbers look funny. So let's see. 20 times 26, right? Base times height divided by 2. Yeah. All right, so I'm going to multiply 260 by 4, which is 1040 plus what? What is that, 400? Am I right? Yeah, so it's 1440. Okay. Am I right? Let's see. Yeah, 1440. That's right. Okay. All right, let's do one more. What's an easy one? Oh, what's one that we should probably do? Okay, I can't see these numbers very well. Let's see, what was the one we did? Oh, it was a square. Okay, all right, let's do one. All right, let's do one of these tougher ones then. Let's do this one. Okay, so here we got the triangular pyramid turned into a net. Now let's see. So here we got 18 by 7. What's 18 times 7? 126. Base. So now we got 2 different. By the way, don't multiply one of these triangles by 4 when you get the area. Like, that's not it. These 2, like, it's quite obvious that these 2 triangles are not the same from the other 2 triangles. So you got to be careful there. All right, now let me find this one. So 7 times 13 divided by 2, right? I mean, technically, I don't need to do that because 45.5, but I'll do it. All right, 45.5. So this one's 45.5. All right, and then what is it? 10 times 8. No. 18, right? 18 times 10 divided by 2. What's 18 times 10 divided by 2? 18 times 10 is 180 divided by 2 is 90. So this is 90. I should put parentheses around these. This is 90. So let's add all these guys up. So I got 45.5 plus the other triangle plus what? 90 plus 90 plus 126. Yeah. Okay. Yep. 397. Okay. All right. There we go. Okay. Now, how are we doing on time? How are we doing on time? Let's see. Oh wait, I'm supposed to be checking time. Oh, all right. You know what? Let's practice a little more, and then we'll do more practice tomorrow, and then that'll be it. Okay. So, all right. Now, I actually included a video in the blog, and then also an activity. So let me see, how should I go about doing this? You know what? Let's stop it here today. Let's see. Let me think real quick. Hold on. Let me press pause and think. You know what? Yeah, let's stop here today. Okay. There's no need to go over the 15-minute mark. So okay. All right. Yeah. Watch the video on Khan Academy. Do the activity from Khan Academy. Also, it's really good. I really like that activity. Okay, because it's like exactly what we were doing today. So I thought it's a great stepping stone. All right, before we do the final lesson. Okay, for tomorrow and Friday, right? Tomorrow, yeah. Let me think. Yeah. Okay. All right. So yeah. All right. So and don't forget to do the homework. Okay. Have a good day. I will see you tomorrow. All right. Bye bye. Okay. Oh, there we go. There's the bell. All right. Don't tell me you don't miss that bell.
OMG, that was so good.